Let's go ahead and take a look at level 3. This time we're going to go ahead and distribute twice before we combine like terms and solve. So let's go ahead and start at the beginning. Before we get too crazy, draw a fence as a line which separates the equation by the equal sign. Let's go ahead and label Constantville and variable land. Check for distribution. Wait, how do we know if we actually distribute? Well, if we see parentheses. So on this one, we're going to be distributing twice. So let's go ahead and distribute out. So we've got 8 times 8, 64n, plus 8 times 8, 64, and then negative 8 times n, negative 8n, and negative 8 times 4, negative 32. And then we're going to go ahead and label. So we've got constant, variable, constant, variable, constant. All right, so be careful with your signs as you're doing that distributing. Let's go ahead and look to see if we can combine anything. We're good on that side. But over here, we've got a variable and a variable and a constant and a constant. So we've got a lot of like terms that we can go ahead and combine. So let's take a look at our variables first. 64n and negative 8n. That's going to go ahead and give us 56n. And then we've got 64 and negative 32, which is going to give us a positive 32. And we're going to go ahead and double check. We've got our constant, variable, constant. So it looks like we've got everything, all our like terms combined. So we are going to now check and make sure all of our constants are in the right spot and variables there. So we're going to undo with the opposite operation here. So let's go ahead and subtract 32. And we get negative 56, 56n. And then now that we've got that, our variable on one side and our constant on the other, we're going to divide. And negative 56 divided by 56 is negative 1. Okay, if you think you've got it, number 44 is waiting for you. Otherwise, let's go ahead and take a look together. Before we get too crazy, draw our fence down a line. Separate the equation by the equal sign. Let's go ahead and label variable land and Constantville up here. All right, check for distribution, which we've got here. So let's, got it there, got it there. Okay, okay. So negative 3 minus 15x, negative 24x minus 24 equals 12. All right, and then let's label. Oops. Correctly. Okay, and then let's combine like terms. So we've got our variables. If we add those together, we've got negative 15, negative 24, that's negative 39, x. And then negative 3 constant and negative 24 constant is negative 27. And then let's check. Variable, constant, constant. All right, so we've got our variable in variable land. Yes. We have a constant in variable land. Ooh, that's bad. And then we've got a constant in Constantville. Yeah. So bad. Undo. So we're going to add 27. So we've got negative 39x equals 39. And now we're going to divide. So x equals 39 divided by negative 39, which is negative 1. All right, you've got one to do over here, so go ahead and try it.